All right, so to find the accessibility settings, you have to go here and then click on the settings button and then find, let's see, ease of access is what it's called. Then you can go to display and you can make the display larger. You can see that's much bigger, or you can make it smaller. I'm gonna go back to the recommended. And so that's if you have like a vision impairment, you can make it bigger. You can change the brightness if too bright bothers someone or too dark does. Yes, and then cursor and pointer size, you can make your cursor thicker. You can see it's moving thicker and skinnier. Could also help with someone with a vision problem or just anybody who would like to be able to see it quicker, be able to, their eyes to be drawn to where the cursor is. You can change the pointer size. You can make the pointer really big like this, or small, or medium. You can change it to black or white, or to black when it's on white, but then when it's hovering over a different color, it changes color so that it contrasts. So that might help to be able to see the contrast to find the pointer easier. You can use the magnifier. It's similar to the display zoom. If you turn it on, you can magnify certain parts of the screen. And this is the zoom level again in a different spot. Color filters, if you want to turn those on, you can make it inverted, grayscale inverted, red, green, different types of colors, which might be good for someone who is color deficient, like my friend Rachel. You can make it more the colors more contrasted. It's going to make me wait a second. Now you can see things easier because the contrast is pretty dramatic, and you can change the colors for that. With narrator, you can use this to have the computer read things to you.
Settings, new notification window, new notification from display settings, fix apps that are blurry. It looks like some apps might settings exiting narrator.
Was the narrator. I don't know if the recording, the screencast lets you hear the computer talking, but that's what it was. And you can choose when to have the narrator go to read things to you. For people who have bad hearing, you can change the volume on here. And for closed captions, you can add captions. If someone can't hear, they can read and hear all of the different colors and things for the captions. I'm going to turn the contrast off. And one last setting I wanted to point out. You can use speech to get your computer to do things. With this Windows PC, it uses Cortana, and you can talk to Cortana, and she can, which is the computer, tell you how to do things or get you to certain pages on your computer. You can change the keyboard modes, and you can even use eye control if you get another software with your computer. Connect a supported eye tracking device, and this computer will support that, so that you can move your eyes to where you want to go on the computer. So that is how you find the settings.